Easy obby, but it can't touch the color yellow. This doesn't count because it's a checkboard. Let's jump over these things. The checkpoint doesn't count. It's orange, so it will not count as yellow. Oh, let's jump over this. Let's jump. Alright. This is too easy. Oh, I accidentally touched the color yellow. Sorry. Checkpoint doesn't count. Broke my battery. Sorry, what? Good. Let's just jump over it. Or this yellow thing. Oops. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.